This product is the Honeywell BW Solo portable gas detector. It's our most popular model of single gas detector. In a moment, I'm going to unbox the unit and see what's inside the packaging that you receive when you order the product. The single gas detector can be supplied with a whole pile of different sensor options. So these two are ammonia, so that would typically be used for monitoring a potential ammonia gas leak, maybe in a refrigeration system, so like freezer chambers or cold storage warehousing. That would be a common application for this product. It would also be used extensively in the livestock industry in chicken farming. So chickens produce a particularly high level of ammonia gas in their poo, and you would want to check the health of the birds by way of making sure that that ammonia level isn't at a high level. So yeah, that's a very common application for this product. The product is available in a pile of other sensor options as well, such as phosphine. That's a fumigant that is often used for maybe grain fumigation. It's used for carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is from a byproduct of burning something, such as exhaust from an engine, a petrol engine or a diesel engine, maybe from burning gas. There's a whole pile of different carbon monoxide applications. Chlorine gas, such as around water treatment applications, maybe swimming pool applications, public pools. They're probably the most common ones. Hydrogen sulfide is another one. So that's rotten egg gas, rotting, decaying plants and animals. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. So that's the gas detector there. So it's very compact. There's a screen there that would simply display the reading of gas that is appropriate for the sensor that's fitted to the unit. There's a single button operation, so that button there just switches it on and off. This round circle here is the inlet for where gas enters the unit, and there's a sensor behind those little inlets. So that's the gas detector. Now, also in the box, this is what we call a calibration test cap or a bump test cap. Now it's two parts, so this little tube gets applied to that little inlet. Now we use this to do the process that we call bump testing the gas detector. So bump testing is simply the process of exposing the gas detector to a known concentration of gas and seeing how it responds and seeing if it picks up that known level of gas accurately. That way you've proven to yourself that the gas detector is working properly before you start to use it. We recommend bump testing the gas detector every day before use. In order to do that, you would need a cylinder of gas that's appropriate for the sensor that's fitted. So in this case, we've got ammonia gas, so that's correct for this unit, and it's at 50 parts per million. So if we were to, now you need a regulator on there as well. So this regulator here goes on the top of the cylinder. The gas is dispensed through that tube, and the fitting there is connected to the gas detector like that. So you're feeding the gas in there and you'd be seeing how that responds. Also in the box there's a quick reference guide, which I know everyone's going to read thoroughly and concisely, but if you don't, phone us up and ask us any questions about the gas detector. If you'd like one of the SafetyQuip team members to come out to your work site to show you how to use the new gas detector and show your team how to use it, we'd be happy to help with that. Speak with the crew at your local SafetyQuip branch for further information on single gas detectors and other portable gas detectors. We'd love to assist.